Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St Elizabeth. Now we are on the main road that takes you from Mandeville to Santa Cruz, or more specific from the section we just came off Spur Tree Hill and we're heading towards Santa Cruz. I don't remember the name of this road. I'm not sure if this is a Landover main road, but this is a very busy road. This is the main road actually, and it's a very busy road in St. Elizabeth. It runs all the way to Santa Cruz. Now on the north coast you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which runs along the entire stretch of the north coast. The south coast of Jamaica doesn't have any such highway. So Jamaica, they need a road like the Northern Coastal Highway on the south coast of Jamaica to replace this existing main road all the way from Kingston through Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, all the way to Westmoreland. They need a highway quality road. Now, the Northern Coastal Highway is not, it's a 2-lane road, but it's a very high quality road, well maintained. They need a road like that spanning the entire stretch of the south coast. Yes, you have Highway 2000, which is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay, but that's a toll road. You need a road of the quality of the Northern Coastal Highway to run along the south coast of Jamaica, connecting these main towns. What do you guys think of that idea? Leave your comments in the section below. Now, they're building a road called the Southern Coastal Highway that takes you from Kingston to Port Antonio. That road will be a free road. I'm not sure why they call it the Southern Coastal Highway, because the highway runs more in the eastern part of Jamaica. But that's the name of the highway project. And that highway is going to connect you from Kingston to Port Antonio. Then from Port Antonio to Negril, you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which is already built, and it's going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay. Then there's a phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway project, which is to build a highway from Negril to Manchester, where it will connect with Highway 2000, and then Highway 2000 takes you from Manchester back to Kingston. But Highway 2000 is a toll road. So we need another road. 2-lane road, we don't even have to call it a highway. The existing main road that runs from Kingston to Westmoreland, that road needs to be fixed. The road we're on, it needs to be upgraded to what the Northern Coastal Highway is. It's a free road. Northern Coastal Highway is a free road. There's no toll to use it, and it connects all the major towns on the coast to each other. So we need a highway that runs from Kingston to Spanish Town to Maypen to Mandeville to Santa Cruz to Westmoreland, to Savlamar, in Westmoreland, connecting all those main cities, main towns on the south coast of Jamaica. We need that exactly what's on the north coast, the Northern Coastal Highway. We need a road like that connecting all those towns we just mentioned on the south coast. And the road will be free. It can run along the existing road that you have here, just a higher quality road. Now, once that's done and the highways are complete, Jamaica will have a first world road infrastructure project, or roads basically. Now, that highway I'm talking about, connecting Kingston, Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, there is no such project in the works right now. I just want to point that out, but it's something that's needed. Now, somebody might ask, if you have Highway 2000, which you have to pay to use, and then you have a highway quality road running alongside it, would anybody use the highway? But yes, people will use the highway because the highway will save time. For instance, you can get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes on the highway. If you take the old main road, which is in a lot better state than this road, the road between Kingston and Savlamar, it takes a lot longer, so persons will use the highway still. So it's not a case where you're going to lose revenue, but you also have some people who just cannot afford the toll every day, persons who use these roads every day, so they would use the other roads, the main roads basically, the non-highway roads. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.